Say hi, everyone. Hiya. Boop boop. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Say hiya. Hi, everyone. My name is Aliyah, and this is my first time on the vlog. Ooh. Cutie, my chubby baby. Say today I'm 2 months old. Hi, everyone. Long time no see. I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube, but I posted something last week about my pregnancy belly. It was just a short video, like 1.5 minutes, with all the mini videos I've been taking every 4 weeks, I would say. And then I put them all together, and I just to see the update and how my progress was going. And then obviously the last clip, it was with this little one. So yeah, that was the last thing I posted. It was last week, and before then I think it was more than a year before I've posted anything. So yeah, I thought today jump on here and do just a little vlog of what I do in a day with a newborn. Shall we? What are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today? I mean, it's already 10 o'clock. Our day has started way before then. We woke up around 6 o'clock, and here we are now. We're gonna start now. Let's see what we're gonna do. Look, she already made dirty her sleeve by putting your sleeve on my lips. Are you gonna keep your clothes clean today? No puking? No puking? Alright, let's start. So there she is. Here's where I put her normally when I'm getting ready. So she likes checking like all the colors. She normally likes looking at all my jumpers over there because she likes the colors, or otherwise I put her face in the mirror and she just enjoys it, and she stays quiet. Hi, my baby. Hiya. Hiya. Hi, cutie. Are you waiting for mommy? Are you waiting for mommy? Are you? Cutie. Okay, let's finish getting ready. Are you comfortable? What happened to your clothes? Is that normal? Look at this. Look at this little bully. Should we go downstairs? Should we go downstairs? Say something. Say agoo. She normally talks, guys, but I think she's being camera shy. Alright. I think the first step we're gonna do is clean everything. I mean, the kitchen is not that bad, but hello. This really needs something. And then obviously I need to put all the clothes back on her nursery, and that's it. So yeah, let's get started. What are you saying? What are you saying? Oh, somebody's tired. You wanna have a nap? Yeah? You wanna take a nap? Shall we? And then you let me clean? What do you think about that? What do you think about that? My cutie, look at those eyes. Okay, now yes. So what I do normally, if I need to do anything, cook, eat, or clean, or whatever, I put her down on her chair, and then I start tackling the house. Should I put you down here? Oh, cutie. Are you gonna be okay? I put something to entertain her, which is this little one. Hi, Aliyah. Hiya. Now I can start. cutie is asleep. Look at the pose. I guess she's comfy. Alright, I finished cleaning. Now my next job, I need to do the grocery shop. I need to do the grocery shop. Why I can't say that? And obviously with all this happening right now, we can't. I mean, I was going to the supermarkets before, even when I was pregnant, and I didn't mind that much. But now with the newborn and being on my own in the house, I just prefer to do it online. And after starting to do it online, I realized how amazing it is, and you don't even need to worry about, you know, timings and when you need to feed her, or, you know, going, queuing, having to deal with people who don't even give a for, you know, wearing a mask or caring about all what's happening. So yeah, I think she's dreaming. She keeps making noises. I wonder what she dreams. Look at those cheeks, seriously. So now that this one is still asleep, I should take advantage and finish cleaning the rest. I was finishing early and she started crying, so I picked her up, and as soon as I picked her up, she literally fell asleep. I guess she was tired. So I put her down, I did the delivery, and I need to finish cleaning. Oh, hi baby. You woke up. Oh, who's so grumpy? I'm gonna do the conservatory and see how much time I have. Much better. Let's open these windows. It's really hot. I'm on this room. As soon as the sun comes out, it's boiling hot. Who wants to eat something? Okay, let's make a bottle. Time to eat! Do you want milky milky? Somebody's eating her hands. Why? Are you that hungry? Right. Before, you need your medicine, baby. You need what you love the most. Open. Open. Yes. Good girl. Did you hear that? What's going on down there? What's going on down there? Oh, okay, I guess that's a nappy change. Okay, can we eat now? Can we eat now? Tell them what happened upstairs. So I used to, when I just gave birth, my plan was to breastfeed the whole journey until she's 6 months. But from the beginning, it just didn't work. I never produced enough milk for her, so I always had to give her extra formula. So it used to be, when I started, it used to be like maybe 80% breast milk, 20% formula. And that has changed gradually. Now literally I give my breast milk, it's a snack for her right now. And all the feeds are formula. And the only full feed that she has on my breast is the early morning one, because obviously I produce enough milk during the night. It's a lot of hours without giving her anything, so that's the only time she can have a full feed, and the rest of the day she just like has snacks in between feeds. My baby, are you full? Si no se ha acabado tu botella. What do you wanna eat? I love you. Ah, I love you. I mean, seriously, look at those cheeks. Now is my time to eat something. I'm just gonna make some avocado toast and a cup of tea and try to relax. I live in this t-shirt. All I was wearing when I was pregnant is baggy t-shirts and cycling shorts. I was talking to you earlier and literally my battery went off. I was talking about my t-shirts. This one, my sister-in-law got it for me and I've been living in it. And I just wear them with cycling shorts, and that's my comfy outfit for every day now. Today I'm wearing long leggings. I don't know why, because it's 25 degrees. So yeah, this is my other thing that helps me a lot to do the stuff in the house. So I just carry her and I'll just clean, organize, eat sometimes. I was planning to go for a walk now, but it's really hot and sunny, so I don't want to disturb her. I normally put a muzzy on her head just to stop the sun from touching her, but we can wait and go later in the afternoon. So this one is awake. I need to give her a little bit of a snack. Okay, let's eat something. Did you eat enough? Did you eat enough? ¿Quieres más? ¿Quieres más leche? She was just smiling and talking to me, and now that I put the camera on her, she stopped, obviously. Are you gonna burp? ¿Vas a eruptar, Pepe? Oh, she's really like focused on everything now, any colors, or if something is black and white, she like loves it. She just keeps looking at it, and I guess now she's staring at the pictures at the back. Who's in there? That's Mommy and Daddy. That's Mommy and Daddy. So every day around this time, around what time is it? It's almost 5. No, it's almost 5. Normally I do it before, around 4 or something like that. We have our talking moments. She's super active and she just wanna talk, converse, laugh, and so I put her down, we start talking, and then after that I just put her on her tummy and we do tummy time. You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go with Mommy for a walk? ¿Qué más me quieres decir? Ah. Okay, it's time to go for a walk. The sun has gone a little bit down, and I need to put my shoes before I actually pick her up, because otherwise I put the carry-on, which I do all the time. I put the carry-on and then I realize that I can't put my shoes on. So let's do this. Okay, now this one is getting a bit fussy. Baby! Okay. You wanna go out? Oh. Okay. Are we ready? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Say yes, Mommy. Yes, Mommy. What? What? Ah, you just faking your cry. Okay, let's go. Look who's happy now. Are you enjoying your walk? You like the fresh air? Oh, she likes the trees. At least we can do this. I really don't know how my routine would have been if this virus wasn't in here. I don't know, probably everything would be different. I'll be doing more things. Definitely be visiting family, going more out, eating outside, and it's just pretty hard now because you know, we are literally stuck at home. Oof, it's a lot of flies. We are stuck at home the majority of the time, and the only thing we have is walks, which I really like. At least we've got the nice weather and we go outside, we enjoy this fresh air and all that. We've got this nice walk behind our, just behind our house. Look at this one, she's totally gone. She was quite excited at the beginning, which I found weird. Normally as soon as I close the front door, she goes to sleep. She lasted 2 more minutes though, which is nice. Now we're gonna go back home, and obviously she will wake up, but it's good. I need her a bit awake before her last feed before bed. And I think I'm gonna leave it here. The only thing I have left is well, prepare her bottle before bed. Today we're not gonna have a bath because she had it yesterday, and yeah, prepare, change her clothes and put her down to sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye bye.